Hey, hi guys, actually I'm from NUS and I'm Kevin and yay! I just graduated from the Infiniti Associates Developers Program, and what I can say is I really highly recommend you guys to actually join the Unity Developer course here at Infiniti Academy. I've learned a lot throughout this whole journey, through practical and theory and everything. I've made games before, but this has actually added more to my knowledge, especially since I'm just a beginner. And yeah, I just highly recommend you to come for this course and just try it out. Even if you're like interested in games and anything, just try this course out. Okay?